He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? And welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast BBQ. Hey, today we're outside on the patio. You know, my wife and I are from Louisiana, so we love crawfish, we love crab and shrimp. So what we're going to be doing today is I ordered some shrimp from LA Crawfish in an overnight delivery, and they arrived here about an hour ago. We only ordered about 10 pounds of crawfish because it's just me and the wife. Plus we got like 4 pounds of shrimp, some potatoes, corn, mushrooms, you know, the normal crawfish boil that we do down in Louisiana, okay? This video is inspired by Russ Jones over at Smoky Ribs. If you guys know Russ, check out his channel, man. He has all kind of shrimp and crawfish boils on his channel, okay? So we're going to be also testing out this outdoor gourmet crawfish boiling kit that I picked up from Academy Sports for like 90, I think it was like 99 bucks last night. It came with the jet burner, the big 80-quart pot here and everything. Very minor assembly, just about 6 bolts to put it together, and we're rocking and rolling, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get this fired up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse these crawfish off, and then we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started. So hey, hang around for this prep work, and hey, you know how we do it, Bad Beast style, baby.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and start getting our crab boil together. We had a rolling boil right now. We're gonna be using some Louisiana crawfish and shrimp boil. So I'm gonna put about half this bag in there. Woo, it's already spicy. I can already smell it. Alright. And then we're gonna put in some liquid crab boil, Louisiana liquid crab boil. My wife wants the whole thing in there, so we're gonna put the whole thing in there. Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our aromatics. Be right back. Alright, now we're gonna put our aromatics in. We got some cut onions, we got garlic clove that we cut the top off of, and we got some sweet potatoes and some regular potatoes. So, go ahead and toss them in. Woo! Getting splashed. Alright, our garlic. Go ahead and throw our sweet potatoes in early so they can get done. Put our little potatoes in. Alright. Now we're going to use some citrus. Any good crab boil uses citrus, so we're going to put some lemons and some oranges in there. So the orange, we got 2 oranges going in. We got 2 lemons. We'll squeeze a little juice out the lemon, give it a little citrus flavor. myself a bayou stirring paddle. So I'm going to use this one here since we don't have that much seafood going on right there. But I got to order me one. This is one of those great scrapers for the barbecue grill. It's brand new. So this is going to be my mini paddle for sewing. For stirring until I can get the proper gear. One more thing, we're gonna add some mushrooms. These things absorb a lot of flavor, and like Russ said, these are little flavor bombs, man. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these in here too. I know it's just me and the wife, but you know I don't mind eating a little leftover seafood. All right, why don't you come on and take a look at inside this pot? We may need to add a little bit more seasoning, but I can feel it coming on up. So we're going to let this boil here for about 15 minutes until we get back to a rolling boil. Woo, excuse me. And taste it and see if we need to add any salt. All right, so we tasted it after the salt. It's still missing a little something. So we're going to throw a little bit of this Louisiana seafood oil that it came with just to spice up a little bit. Stir that a little bit. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our corn. We'll get that up another few minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw our crawfish in here. And we'll throw our crawfish in. We're gonna let them boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then we're gonna throw our shrimp on top of them, and then we're gonna let them go for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're gonna turn the fire off. We're gonna try to ice it down so we can get the temperature down. Down to 150 degrees. Stop it from cooking and let them start absorbing some of this flavor. So hey, don't go nowhere. All right, guys. So now here's the piece de resistance. Time for those crawfish to make their way into their bath. Give them a stir, and we want them to get back up to a rolling boil. Like I say, and we'll start our time when it starts boiling, and we'll boil them for about 5 minutes or so. And then we'll throw our shrimp in, and we'll turn the fire off. All right, so now we're back up to a rolling boil with our crawfish. We're gonna start timing it, and then. They've been boiling now for about 2 minutes, and they probably got about another 2 or 3 minutes to go. So right now we're gonna go ahead and throw our shrimp in. And we're gonna get this back up to a rolling boil. And then we're gonna go ahead and shut our fire off. So we're gonna get us about another 2 or 3 minutes. And then we're gonna shut our fire off. Alright guys, it's been 3-4 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and turn our fire off. I was going the wrong way. I guess that could have went even higher. You should have been over here videotaping. Alright guys. No, you stay right where you was. So you could have videotaped while I was turning it off. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, guys, so here we go. We'll take a look at that right quick. I'm going to throw some ice on top of it. Because we want to cool it down now. Russ and them showed a whole bunch of different apparatuses so that you wouldn't add extra water to here. But we did put a lot of seasoning in here, so hopefully adding this water won't dilute the flavor. So we're going to throw some ice on here. Shock this. Let this cool down. While that's going, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the hose on and kind of heat, wet around the pot to try to get the temperature down some. So be right back. All right, so I got my holes. It's gonna be kind of messy, but we're gonna just try to cool outside the pot a little bit. Get the temperature down. Aggravate it a little bit. Might have to get one of them boil bosses like they were talking about. Man, you can look into this pot, man. These sweet potatoes are already peeling themselves off, so I can't wait to taste those. All right, so we're gonna give this pot about 20-30 minutes to cool down. Let the crawfish absorb some of the flavor, sink down to the bottom, and then we're gonna give a taste and we're gonna see how good we are. So, hey, don't go nowhere. Alright guys, so we finished with our crawfish boil, and we let them soak for about 25-30 minutes to try to absorb some of the flavor of the seafood boil. We got mushrooms here. Absorbed all the flavor of the boil. I've already tried the shrimp. They're fine. They absorb a lot of the flavor themselves. The sweet potatoes is very, very good. I had one of those earlier. I think we left these in the water too long, so they're a little mushy. But the flavor of the sweetness of the sweet potato and the spiciness of the crab boil is very, very good. Okay. I haven't tried the andouille sausage yet. That's pretty good. I think I would have browned these off first before I take them in there again next time, and put them in there a little bit earlier so they can soak up a little bit more of the flavor. And speaking of flavor, I got to work on my ratio of water towards seasoning. I think we might have had just a little bit of water. So the seasoning is there. It's just not as intense as I would like it. It's got some heat, some burn to it. Just the in-depth flavor. Man, it's hot out here. The in-depth flavor is not exactly the level I want it to be. We put onions and everything in it, and but I think next time I'll try what Russ and those guys did, where they pureed the onions and pureed the celery and poured it in along with everything else. It might give it a deeper flavor. But all in all, man, this is gonna be pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out here before this stuff get cold, so that way I can sit down here and eat. So I got my Blue Moon, and so I want to thank you guys for joining us. That outdoor gourmet boil kit is fantastic for the price. Like I said, I think I paid like 99 bucks for it at Academy Sports, and with the jet propane burner and stuff, that worked out beautifully, man. It's a great pickup. That's an 80 quart, so we can do twice as much seafood as we have sitting here. So, well, that's all we have time for today. I mean, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey Russ, if you get time and check this video out, man, let me know what I can do to improve my crawfish shrimp boil technique, man. Hey, and as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.